Hi everyone. Let's see what is the energy around us today. Let's check what's going on with everyone. Okay, you were feeling that this situation that you have on your mind will never move forward. Okay, there is a lot of stagnancy I see in a lot of people's life. It could be related to finances, money, growth, some kind of promotion at workplace. You have really worked hard for something, and the energy is now guiding you towards, being patient. Okay, I see that you have lost hope. I clearly see that many of you all have felt that whatever efforts you had made in past regarding this one particular situation had gone wasted. But trust me, it is not like that. It's time for you to receive the judgment, but the only thing the universe will ask you to do according to the current energy is that you need to be patient, because I see that the energy is not that great when it comes to being patient. Okay, second thing is that the universe is going to push you towards making some changes in your life. Okay, this could be related to coming out of your comfort zone. You have been in a particular situation or a particular pattern in your life since a long time now. The universe and the current energy is going to push you towards making changes in this situation that you are facing. You need to change in terms of your personal growth, or your personality, or the way you talk, or the way you communicate. This is very necessary that you need to come out of your shell. That is what the energy is going to push you towards. Okay, let's see more. Wow, okay. The energy is saying that there are a lot of people have their eye on you. They are not wishing well for you. So you need to filter people out. You need to escape those situations that are not serving you. You need to let go of those people who you think are not your well wishers. The energy is saying that stop wasting your time and energy about what other people think and feel about you. Focus on yourself, because this particular thing that you have in your life about thinking about your personality, how it is being perceived, what the people, how the people judge you, let go of it. It is holding you back. It is creating a toxic negative environment around you. So don't focus on how people think of you. Focus on yourself.